In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text within a table in Google Slides, something that isn't directly supported by the platform, but can be achieved with a simple workaround. Let's delve into this process step by step to ensure clarity and ease. First, when you open your Google Slides presentation and add a table, you might notice a limitation straight away. If you try to rotate text inside a table cell using the usual options, you'll find that they are disabled or simply not there. This can be a bit frustrating if you're used to having more freedom with text formatting in other applications. But don't worry, we're going to work around this limitation. Instead of typing directly into the table cell, you'll need to create a separate text box. To do this, go to the Insert menu located at the top of your screen. Once you click on it, you'll see an option for Text Box. Select it, and then click and drag on your slide to draw the text box anywhere you like. Type your desired text into this new box. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for adding that rotation effect. Now that we have our text sitting in its own box, it's time for the fun part, rotation. Click on the text box border. This selects the whole box, rather than just the text inside. Head over to the Format menu on the top toolbar and select Format Options. A sidebar will pop up on the right side of your screen. In this sidebar, locate and expand the Size and Rotation section. Here, you can choose how you'd like to rotate the text. You can either type a specific degree into the angle field or use the rotation handle, a small circle usually located at the top of the text box, to drag the box to your desired angle, giving you a hands-on way to achieve the perfect positioning. Once your text is at the right angle, you'll need to place it into your table. To complete the illusion, click on the border of the text box again and drag it into the specific cell of your table where the rotated text should appear. Adjust the position and size of your text box until it fits neatly within the cell. This step might take a little bit of tweaking, but with patience, you can make it look as if the text within the cell itself is rotated. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create the effect of rotated text inside a table on Google Slides seamlessly. I hope this guide helps you enhance your slides with creatively positioned text. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for boosting your presentation skills.